do the Dhanurasana lying down. You are here, come to the front of your mat. Take your feet beyond the mat, your hands beyond the mat. Hands beyond the mat. Look at the palms. Now bend your upper leg and pull it further back. Straighten the elbow. Pull the thigh beyond the lower thigh. Feel the stretch. You are still looking at your upper hand. Your upper hand is in the same position. Same position. Feel the stretch. Good stretch. Your upper hand, palm on the ground. Come, roll onto the stomach. And when you are coming forward, you are up in Dhanurasana. You are Ardha Dhanurasana. You are here. Smooth transition and come back. You are not moving your palm and leg. It's good for your back, shoulders. Yeah, we will do on the other way. You are here. Your hand, feet beyond the mat. Your palms beyond the mat. Bend your upper leg and pull it further back. Further back, further back. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Bring the upper palm on the ground and come on to Ardha Dhanurasana. Ardha Dhanurasana. Your lower leg and lower foot in the same position and come back.